Julie. Today I will tell you a story. The title is The Very Noisy Family. The Hill family moved small from house. It was crowded. That's my seat, yelled Sherry. Jack yelled back. Grandpa turned up the TV. He says he'll repeat dishes. It was noisy. What should I do? Mr. Hill asked Mr. Russian. Mr. Russian said to bring chickens into the house. Mr. Hill brought chickens into the house. The chickens clucked. The dogs barked. The children screamed. It is still noisy, Mr. Hill said. Then Mr. Russian said to bring in pigs. The pigs scared. The children screamed. This isn't working, cried Mr. Hill. Together, the family brought the animals outside and tidied the house. Then they rested together. At last, it was peaceful. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.